Good morning. I am in this place called Rabbit Food. This is my second day. I had a smoothie yesterday and it was amazing. So I'm back after my walk getting another smoothie from Rabbit Food. I have added peanut butter to my strawberry and cream. I'm adding sea moss as well as vitamin D. And I'm going to get a smoothie for my husband and hopefully he loves it as much as I did. I'm going to turn this camera around so you will see where I am. Get the idea for this place, and I also want you to tell me about the smoothies you have in your hand.
Okay, the idea came along when last year July, I got sick. I had real stomach ache, and I was like, okay, what's going on? Went to the doctor, found out I had gallstones. Really gallstones. I had to have emergency surgery. So I was like, okay, he's like, you can only eat smoothies. I was like, where am I gonna get smoothies from? Like, I couldn't find nothing nowhere. That's when I said, okay, baby, I know what. We can open up a juice bar. He's like, you sure? And I was like, yeah. So I was like, how are we gonna come up with the name? My husband had a mini stroke like 3 years ago. We had to change his diet. And he was like, oh, I'm sick of rabbit. I don't want no rabbit food. I don't want no rabbit food. So that's how we came up with the name. We both got ill. God works in mysterious ways, but you know, it pushes towards a healthy eating habit. It's tropical. It has pineapple, mango, spinach, and it's drizzled with yogurt, just for decoration, fat-free yogurt. This is our strawberry cream. It has strawberries, heavy cream, and then both made with almond milk. And this is also drizzled with yogurt and a little strawberry syrup, which is phenomenal. Healthy, no sugar, all natural ingredients.
Okay. And did you add the sea moss?
Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, I did. I add sea moss in both and vitamin D, you know, due to the coronavirus we got. So you have sea moss and vitamin D. This also has protein because we add peanut butter in this.
All right.
All right?
All right. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Miss Erica, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Great.